Hello, this is Ryan with Covington Nursery. I photograph a lot of yards, but I don't normally like to shoot them when they're newly installed. I always like to wait till they're more established. However, this yard that I just shot is an exception, and I'd love to share it with you. Because what Cindy did, this is Cindy Huddleston, one of our designers at Covington's, is she nestled this little sitting area right into an existing copse of trees. It's so cool, it looks amazing, and this is just days after installation. What I love about this area is that it's not exactly in their backyard. It's kind of off to the side. So while it feels very private and secluded because of all the trees, it's also very social just because of where it's situated. They can sit here at their little fire pit and still interact with the neighbors that might be walking on the adjacent exercise trail or over this little culvert bridge. It's really neat because what they basically did was took an unusable throwaway area, like over near where they park their cars, and turned it into something really special. I bet everyone that walks by is secretly hoping for an invitation down to their fire pit for some drinks or something, or if they're lucky, I don't know, maybe inside the house, Mrs. Kramer. See the rest of it? How beautiful the inside is? I've never been inside, but judging by how meticulously the wraparound porch and all of the other outdoor living areas are done, I'm sure it's stunning inside too. Again, all of this is the work of one of our designers, Cindy Huddleston. There she is. Isn't she pretty? Actually, can I say, you know what? I meant she looks smart, not pretty. Well, but she is. You know what? Scratch all of that. She just exists. She exists on our website. You can read about her. And you can also see more pictures of the yard I've been showing you today, along with all my other landscape photography as well. You know, I put all those pictures up there so that y'all can not only see the beautiful things that other Covington's customers are doing in unique ways that they're solving problems, but also so you can get ideas and inspiration for your own landscape. That's covingtonnursery.com. Check it out. Let's grow together. She is very pretty and smart.